cold start, and you can see me in the reflection. The paint is gorgeous. Man, what a pretty car. We're in sunny Florida. It's about 80 degrees here today. Man, the paint is incredible on this thing. So tell me about it. How'd you find it?
87. I'm in Florida. I'm a friend of a friend. Poor guy's not doing well. He's sick. After you did all this work too, it's just been painted like a year ago, not even.
Wow.
Suspension, no rust, Florida car.
Yeah.
It's been pretty well taken care of.
It's beautiful. Gorgeous chrome, paint, stainless. Super straight body, gosh. It's a 305?
Yes, the original.
Power steering, power brakes,
Air conditioning.
air. Air was just rebuilt, right?
Well, we changed, updated, carburetor we built.
Pretty. Doesn't need a thing, huh?
Nope.
What a nice car. It's got what, 70 on it?
72.
Interior's mint. 72, 317 miles. Looks just like a Monte in here. You know?
Huh?
Looks like a Monte Carlo in here.
Yep.
This is cool. Factory mat.
Got some cracks in the dash, but other than that,
Yeah, not bad.
it's just clean. No rust at all. Even the bed was painted.
Wow. That is sweet, man. Looks like a nice quality paint job. The exhaust fuel tank's new too. Little bump here. Not bad. Barely notice it. Paint could use a wet sand. A little bit of, yeah, it's gotta be wet sanded.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of peel in it. Not bad. Look at that. I mean, geez, you can see clear across. Let's go take it for a spin. Tires look pretty good. Man, you just can't beat these Florida cars, you know?
Yeah.
A couple little cracks in the dash, that's not bad.
And they get one of those covers for it.
Oh yeah, like
She's got plenty of power.
smooth.
It's like smooth, yeah. I really enjoy these cars.
Could use a couple vents here too. They're easy to get though.
The brakes have been done.
Yeah.
Shocks.
Comfortable. I like that it's stock too. It's got stock wheels, stock exhaust.
Those wheels are from S10.
Oh really? Is that what they are?
I think they're from an S10. 80
Yeah,
something.
they look familiar now.
Chevy Blazer, I think.
Cool. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. 631-339-03.